was fascination, I know, and it might have ended right then at the start. Just a passing glance, just a brief romance.